the right hand. Okay? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Continuously. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. And we have to do 1 and 2 with the left hand. 1, 2. Easy? Okay, now we have to do it together. So 1, 2, 3. Do it, you can't do it. I can do it. Come on. Okay, great. Please sit down, So,
Rubbish. Albert, तुम्हारी थ्योरी बहुत abstract है.
पता है मुझे.
ये ना materialistic है ना practical. इसमें ना कोई scientific explanation है, ना कोई mathematical calculation.
तो?
In fact, तुम्हारी थ्योरी बहुत philosophical है.
तो इसमें हर्जी क्या है?
तुम्हारी थ्योरी कैसे हुई? थ्योरीज बनती है proofs and explanation की.
पर मेरे पास thought है.
सिर्फ thought से proof से experiment से observation से formula और उस formula से एक conclusion. ऐसे ही बनती है थ्योरीज.
पता है मुझे थ्योरीज कैसे बनती है. सीखा है मैंने भी कॉलेज में. तुम समझ नहीं रही हो मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ.
रिलैक्स. अगर साधारण शब्दों में कहूँ तो तुम्हारे पास मस्कीटो रिपेलेंट स्प्रे है, बस एक मच्छर नहीं. ढूंढो उस मच्छर को.
Since I don't come from a theatre background myself, I think workshops are like a school for me. My association with THESPO actually started when I started participating in the workshops that they organized. And I got to learn a lot from the rigorous training and work that we did. Like I said, we do have a few upcoming workshops, so if any of you are interested, you can later ask us how you can participate.
okay, very nice. All the people who participate here, they get this. And I decide that. And the action is.
Are you ready? Yeah. So, magazines, if you have a flair for writing and you wish to contribute some stories that you might have, you can join our team. Each year we cover topics that are current both to the city and to young people. If you want
Thank you so much, and I will always be Huma from Gargi College. This is amazing. I remember THESPO. I'm going to sit and do this. It's too intimidating. So many people. I've never performed on this stage, and this is the first time I get up to be and talk about THESPO. That itself is very special. So THESPO was what 15 people in a basement in Delhi, where we had to literally go and beg them, please aa jao. We're like, what is THESPO? We're like, oh, this is festival. It's for young people, and you'll get money. Okay, really? Yeah, you get some 15,000 bucks to do a play, and 15,000 bucks in college was like, wow, a lot of money. And then the opportunity to travel to Bangalore or Bombay, which was amazing. So Gargi, I don't know if you guys are aware of Delhi University. It's an all-girls college. So putting up a play itself is like a problem because what do you do with all the male parts? So either you cross-dress and pretend to be like somebody's lover, which is really strange because Romeo and Juliet doesn't work like that. So that was like a huge issue, and then we came up with this idea to do a play called Under Wraps, and that was the year THESPO, fortunately for us, decided to come to Delhi. And I remember Q and Arghya and Yuki had come, and it was, we thought these guys were really cool. you know, and they came and they spoke to us and they told us, you know, there's this festival and you can be a part of it. And we had an orientation, like I said, in the basement in Delhi. And a lot of Delhi colleges applied. We had, I don't remember how many, but we were selected. And we thought that was just, yeah, like with that good, okay. And then we thought some of the boys were really cute. I won't tell you who were. But the volunteering part is, I mean, the cute volunteers is an added thing. And especially if you come from a girls' college, right? You know what I mean. We're talking. I'll give you some notes. And the Bangalore boys, okay, it's true. So anyway, so but
I'll get more light. Okay, rolling. काफी छुट्टी हुई लग रहे हैं आज. Before I say anything.
काफी थकी हुई लग रही है, बारिश हो रही है and it's like really I've been working so yeah.
Okay, कितनी यादें ताज़ा हो जाती हैं क्योंकि मैंने सुना है कि थेस्को के दौरान आपने डायरेक्ट भी किया है.
जी मैं एक्चुअली थेस्को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है मेरी एक एक्टर की जर्नी का बिकॉज जब मैं दिल्ली में थिएटर करती थी तो मैं कॉलेज में और स्कूल में काफ़ी प्लेस डायरेक्ट भी करती थी तो उसमें से सो थेस्को के लिए मैंने एक प्ले डायरेक्ट किया था कॉल अंडर एप्स. कॉलेज में 14 लड़कियों को लेके क्योंकि गर्ल्स कॉलेज था तो लड़के थे नहीं तो बहुत मुश्किल होती थी कि कैसा क्या प्ले निकालें जिसमें बॉयज़ की ज़रूरत ना हो. तो कभी कभी हम लोग बॉयज़ के पास खुद कर लेते थे या अगर वो नहीं को पता था तो वी यूज्ड टू जस्ट प्रिटेंड कि एक आवाज़ पीछे है एंड वी आर टॉकिंग टू ऑल द मेन. सो वो मैंने प्ले डायरेक्ट किया था अंडर एप्स करके.
ओके, कितनी यादें ताज़ा होती हैं और आज आप हुमा कुरैशी, you know.
I think it's very special. I think I have a lot to thank Thesco for. I have a lot to thank you for because you know I think it's a wonderful idea to promote young people to promote theatre because पैसे नहीं होते हैं theatre करने के लिए हमारे देश.